Testing if there is a sound. I keep recording without the sound. Hello, my name is Camelia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to share with you how I made a bean bag out of materials I had at home and how you can do this yourself without spending a lot of money and without a sewing machine. So you will see a series of images and I will walk you through the process. But before I do that, I want to explain the concept so the images will make more sense. Okay, and you can use any fabric that you have, a curtain. You can create a fabric out of crochet or knitting. It will take longer time. As for the filling, you can use beanbag filler, which is a little bit more expensive. Now during the pandemic the prices went twice more, so I will suggest alternatives. You can use stuffed animals. That sounded horrible. I mean stuffed toys. That's what I meant. Some clothing to be recycled, so some old fabric that you're not going to use, or towels, pillows, anything like that. Okay, let's begin. So when you take your fabric, it will be longer on one edge, like a rectangular shape, okay? And the first basic thing is to fold it in half. Again, as you will see in the images in a minute, I just want to explain one thing. Begin sewing here on the side, on the long edge. Okay, this is already connected. So start by sewing the long edge. Leave the bottom open. This is where you will fill in your beanbag, and then you close this at the end. And the top, do not start sewing the top like that. You need to take the corners, the two corners, and meet them in the center like that. So you reverse the direction. Let me show you. I have it here prepared already. Okay, like that. So this is the bottom, it's flat, and then the two sides you put them together to create this shape. And this is your beanbag. This is the bottom. You sit here. This is your headrest. This is the back, and we'll have the handle somewhere here. If you don't have a handle, it's fine. I just wanted to explain how you create this shape. So let me show you one more time and we begin. Okay, this is your rectangle. Just get the middle, open it, and let the edges meet in the center, like so. Alright, let's begin. There is one more important disclaimer I want to make. This project requires passion and patience. So if you have a lot of money and no patience, you can buy the beanbag yourself. But if you want to spend a day or two creating this project and enjoy something that you made for yourself, go ahead and continue watching. This is what the beanbag looks at the end. Begin by taking your fabric, approximately 145 by 250 centimeters or less. This is an example with Ikea curtain. The materials for sewing: scissors, thread, needle, hook and loop tape or a zipper, and yarn thread and yarn needle if you have them, to make the edges more secure. Keep the beanbag filler outside or cool it down to reduce the static if you're using a filler. If you're using beanbag filler, cut all the metal rings and proceed as the pictures. We will secure the edges twice and we'll make a second identical cover to make the beanbag stronger. But if you're using stuffed toys or other type of filling, you can skip this part and just do the second cover. Go ahead and secure the long edge with some pins. Especially if you cut around the edge. Turn it inwards. Make a line with the pins and then sew along the edge. Like so. You can use different type of threads, whatever you have at home. So this is the first sewing that we do, and in a moment we will turn this edge and we will make a second round of sewing. This is what the whole piece looks like. We secured both edges. And now if you're using beanbag filler, I want you to fold the sewed edge and sew it once again. This will prevent the small beanbag filler balls to fall out. Then turn it upside down and fill it in. I decided to leave a little bit of opening, and I put it a zipper so I can fill it in more in the future. And this is what it looks like. You can use it as it is, or you can go ahead and prepare the second cover. This time I want to keep one of the metal rings. It will serve as the hook, as we said, and I will place it in the center. And then I will sew along the edge on the top. And when I reverse the direction on the bottom, this handle will remain in the center of the beanbag. At the bottom, I used the hook and loop thread, or as I said, you can use a zipper, or if you don't have anything, just sew it along the edge, and then you have to sew it once again if you want to change the filler. But this is really affordable and easy solution. Secure the edges, and this is the beanbag. That's the final result. It's beautiful, big and comfortable, and I'm really happy with this project. This is the back. So the handle is for easy, transportation, moving around the house. I'm in the process of completing my second beanbag, which will be filled with some stuffed toys. And I want to see your projects. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please sign up to my channel, like the video and share it if it was helpful to you. And write down in the comments and share the pictures of your own projects. Write down what materials you used. Let's help each other. Thank you.